In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Phantom wallet to pump.fun. This process will help you navigate the world of cryptocurrencies with ease and confidence, and we'll walk through each step together to ensure a smooth connection. First things first, if you haven't yet added Phantom to your browser extensions, let's take care of that step right away. This is essential because Phantom, acting as our digital wallet, needs to be conveniently accessible for us to proceed. Begin by locating the correct page where you can add the extension to your browser, which typically involves a simple click on Add to Extensions. Make sure it's successfully added before moving on. Double-check that Phantom appears in your extensions list, confirming it's ready to be used. Once you have Phantom in your extensions, click on it to open up your wallet interface. This lets you see your homepage from where all the magic happens. Here, you'll notice a variety of functionalities, but our focus today is on connecting to the pump.fun platform. Now, look towards the bottom right corner of your Phantom homepage for an icon resembling a browser. This icon is your gateway to exploring different websites directly from within your wallet interface. Click on this browser icon and you'll be displayed with a list of potential sites you can connect to. In the search bar provided, carefully type pump.fun to pull up the exact website we're seeking. Make sure there are no typos, as this ensures we land on the accurate site for our needs. Once you've found it, click on the listing to proceed to the pump.fun main login page. On the login page of pump.fun, you'll see an option to log in using various methods. Since we're using the Phantom wallet, select the option that says Login with Phantom. This selection is crucial for establishing a connection between the pump.fun platform and your secure Phantom wallet. After clicking to log in with Phantom, you'll see a prompt asking you to confirm your connection. It will ask for some simple permissions so that pump.fun can interact safely with your wallet. To finalize this setup, simply click Connect. The final key step is to follow the on-screen instructions and prompts closely. This confirmation step ensures security and a seamless connection without any hiccups. And there you have it. By following the prompts,